Good morning. I am going to show you how to log into our online school catalog for you to place holds on library books that I will pull and check out, and you can pick up the following day. First, we're going to start by going to our Murray Elementary School website. So you want to type in bit.ly/MESSITE, and that takes you to our school website. From here, you'll go to Arts and Humanities and Library. On the library page, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and I have the link to our MES catalog. Here, you will see I have added how to log in. Students, you log in just like you log in for an AR test. It is your first name dot last name, and the password is the capital letter of your first name, 5 numbers, and then the lowercase letter of your last name. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. You're going to click on this picture for Follow Destiny. This is our library digital cataloging system. I need to log out so I can log in again. To log in, you click log in. It takes you to the screen. You type in your first name dot last name and then your password, capital letter, 5 digits, lowercase of your last name, and you click enter. You are logged in. Now, to find a book and have me check it out for you, you will search the catalog. You could see the popular ones. You could search by topic. You can search by recently added. Um, so I might want to check out Guts. So I would click on the book and it tells me the reading level, call number. I click more details and I can put a hold on it. That tells me, the librarian, that I want to check it out, and I will go then pull it and put your name on it, and hopefully it will be ready for you to pick up the next day. It's so easy. I have never done this before, so you might want to choose a couple different books to put a hold on, because your first choice may or may not be in. So, like I said, we have never done this before, so it is something we are trying out. Be patient with me. But hopefully, this is a way I can get books into your hands. So, enjoy, and I hope this works for you. Thanks for watching.